Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to install and use Randoop, an automated testing tool for Java. If you're looking to save time on unit tests, Randoop may be just what you want. So what's Randoop? Randoop is the tool designed for automatically creating unit tests for Java applications. It's known for generating JUnit tests, and it's used something called feedback direct random test generations. And basically, Randoop can create both error revealing tests and regression tests. Right now, Randoop only works with Java, so if you're working in Java or Java bytecode, it's a great fit. All right, let's install Randoop. Go right here. We can go to the GitHub of the Randoop and click to the Randoop -o 4.3.3.yard right here. Okay, and if you go to the download folder, unzip it to the folder you prefer. Okay, I already downloaded here and then go to the file, this file, copy the part right here. Okay, so this is the Randoop documentation. You can see here. Okay, now open your system environment variable. Create a new system variable, name it Randoop-yard, and paste the part you just copy. Randoop, yeah, right here. Copy. So Randoop 4.3.3. No, yeah. Click OK. OK. Remember to click all the OK before leaving it. So to check if Randoop is installed properly, open your command prompt and run Java class path, the directory of Randoop. That's your Randoop.main gen test, and then help. Okay. Now check the part of the environment. Maybe something wrong here. Okay, it's right, correct. 1, 3, 8. Remember to have the O right here. Okay, okay. One prompt. Yeah, but last part. Randoop. Yeah. Min then test in off. Okay, if it's showing that, it means you install correctly. So if you don't see any error message, you are good to go. Now I will using the Randoop jar with my project right here. My project is the student grading Java, which include the Java class, student class, graded class, and the grade class. Grade enough. The student class include first name, last name, university, the test for the score for the first test, second test, third test, and the fourth test. And then you have some methods like calculate final score and grade, decide grade, get final grade, final score. That's all we got. And the grader. In the grader, I have a calculate grade, a pick student, list of student, and find over all topper from the list of student, and then check to find topper per university right here. Okay, so let's go to the document and see. To generate the unit test, you can run this command. Okay, for my case, I will run the command like this: Java dash classpath, the directory to your Java project, the directory to the Randoop, and Randoop.main gen test dash test class. Okay, and then click enter. One Randoop runs. It generates two types of test class test case. Error revealing test, which have catch bugs and regression tests to verify existing functionality. These tests are saved in JUnit format, making it easy to integrate into your testing workflow. Okay, you can see here, it generates like 30, 55, 51 regression tests right here. And the error to catch the bugs is generate two tests. 1, 2, 3 tests, two. Okay. So on the positive side, Randoop save time and handle edge case I might miss, like nulls or unexpected inputs. It also allows customization to make sure tests align with my project structure. But there's some downsides. The generated test can be hard to read and sometimes redundant. I also found the Randoop's documentation a bit confusing, especially when I was setting up that long command for the first time. And if your project already has tests, Randoop may duplicate a lot of those. Personally, I think Randoop is ideal for projects that you don't have existing tests, especially if you want to quickly cover SKs. It's also useful for complex code base where finding all SKs manually would take too long. So that is for using Randoop. Hopefully this video have given you a clear guide on installing, setting up, and running Randoop.